I'm going to tell you about a strange story as narrated by Rasheed Ahmad Gangohi. Rasheed Ahmad Gangohi was a co-founder of Darul Uloom Deoband. He was a friend of Qasim Nanatawi. Qasim Nanatawi died in 1879. That means within 10 years of the foundation of Darul Uloom Deoband. And this Rasheed Ahmad Gangohi was there till 1908. That means he was the head of the Darul Uloom Deoband for 30 years after Qasim Nanatawi. Anyhow, there is a story that a young boy was with a teacher, and the teacher developed some bad intentions or sexual. This one, he wanted to abuse the kid, sexual abuse, molestation or something. Then all of a sudden, from nowhere, his hand come and slapped the teacher. This was the hand of Ba Yazeed Bustami. He was nowhere there, but his hand came and saved the child from being molested. MashaAllah. Darul Amal, wherein during the Tawaf, Hajj and Tawaf, a young person was looking at a young, beautiful girl who was doing the Tawaf. He was staring at that girl. Then all of a sudden, from Khane Kaaba, a hand comes and slaps that guy. He loses his eyesight in one eye. Then there is a sound comes. If you continue staring like this, I will slap you on the other side also. So this, but brother, these Deobandi Sufi stories. We Muslims don't have anything to do with this. Lanatullahi alal Kazim. That's enough for us.